Hello everyone, this is Dawal here and you are watching KD Architect. So welcome to KD Architect. So in this tutorial, I'll show you the difference between scope box, section box and selection box. So usually the Revit users are confused between the use of these three boxes. So that's why I thought that I have to make separate tutorial on the difference between section box, scope box and selection box. So in this video, I'll cover the meaning and difference of these three boxes. So keep watching till end so you can understand better. And if you really like our tutorial, then please leave one like and share it with your friends and subscribe to KD Architect for daily useful videos. So instead of wasting time, let's start the video. So let's go to screen over here, and here we have 3D view, plan view and section view. So first let me explain the meaning of section box. So section box means it's a Revit tool through which you can crop the boundaries of 3D view. So first of all, let me show you in the 3D view. So यहाँ पे in the 3D view, if you go to the property bar over here, and यहाँ पे आपको section box show करेगा. So usually the section box जो है वो only in the 3D view applicable रहेगा. It won't be applicable to plan view or any kind of section view. So keep in mind. So in the 3D view यहाँ पे मैंने उसको check रखा है. So यहाँ पे in the 3D view section box जो है वो visible रहेगा. Now let's adjust the boundaries of the section box. So as per your requirement, you can drag the boundaries, and you can see the scope of area of your building in the 3D view. So likewise, you can use the section box in the Revit. So यहाँ पे आप इस ऑप्शन को अनचेक करोगे, so again it will disappear from the 3D view, and again यहाँ पे आपको चेक करना है. So by default जो स्कोप बॉक्स की कंडीशन थी पहले, वैसे यहाँ पे अगेन वो सेट हो जाएगी. So likewise you can use the scope box, section box. Okay, so now let's jump to selection box. So what is the meaning of selection box? So the name suggests itself that selection box, that means if you wanna see the particular selected element in the 3D view, then you can use this selection box. Suppose यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक plan view है, and if I wanna see this particular selected window, I wanna see in a 3D view, then just use the command selection box. For that you can use the shortcut BX. So यहाँ पे मैं BX करके selection box command को एक्टिवेट कर रहा हूँ. नाउ एज यू कैन सी इन द 3D, यहाँ पे सिलेक्शन बॉक्स का कमांड जो है वो एक्टिवेट हो गया है, एंड ओनली द सिलेक्टेड विंडो हाईलाइटेड इन द 3D व्यू. सो लाइकवाइज you can use the selection box. Similarly, let me show you for the another element. So as you can see, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट हाईलाइटेड हो चुका है. सो सिलेक्शन बॉक्स जो है वो कोई भी प्लान व्यू में से, सेक्शन व्यू में से और 3D व्यू में से आप एलिमेंट को सिलेक्ट करके आप 3D व्यू में देख सकते हो. बट जो सिलेक्शन बॉक्स जो है वो कोई भी प्लान व्यू और सेक्शन व्यू के लिए एप्लीकेबल रहेगा नहीं. इट्स जस्ट ओनली फॉर द 3D व्यू. सो इट्स अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ section box, but in the selection box you can select the object or any element in the model, and you can see in the 3D view. And in the section box you can crop the boundaries of whole 3D area, and you can see the scope of your work in the Revit model. So that is the basic difference between selection box and section box. So now let's jump to scope box. So what is the scope box? So scope box means it's Revit tool by using you can show up the particular cropped area in the plan view, in section view and in the 3D view as well. So let me show you in the screen. So first of all, यहाँ पे we have a level 1 floor plan, and यहाँ पे just I have created one scope box. So to create this scope box, you can go to view tab over here and यहाँ से just select on the scope box. I guess I made the separate video on the scope box. You can check it out from the description. I'll attach the link of this video. Otherwise, you can check it out from the I button upper right corner. So keep watching this video, and after you can learn the scope box through the video which I mentioned. So let's go ahead. So यहाँ पे कोई भी स्कोप बॉक्स को क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको सेक्शन स्कोप बॉक्स के अंदर यहाँ पे व्यू टैब में स्कोप बॉक्स को सिलेक्ट करना है. नाउ जस्ट you can draw the boundaries in the plan view. Now it's created. It's a simple process. Okay, so now likewise you can create this scope box. So let's delete this scope box right now. And now यहाँ पे मैंने एक scope box create किया है, उसका name दिया है kitchen, and let me show you. So if I want to see in a 3D, let's set to default over here first. So now we have the whole 3D model right now, and I'll again visible the section box from the property bar over here. Just check this option over here. Now there we go. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास whole section box आ चुका है with the whole model. Now if I want to see the particular kitchen area, and for which I had made the scope box, so if I want to see the only kitchen area in the 3D view, so just यहाँ से in the property bar यहाँ पे आपको scope box का section मिलेगा. So यहाँ से just I'll select the kitchen scope box. So yeah, that's good. So likewise you can use the scope box, and a similar way if I wanna see only kitchen area in the plan view, then I'll follow the same process over here. So यहाँ पे in the section box, in the scope box, I'll select the kitchen. So likewise you can use the scope box. Similar way you can use the scope box in the section. So go to the section view, and in the scope box tab यहाँ से आपको just kitchen scope box select करना है. So this is the scope box, and in a simple word we can say that it's a Revit tool by which you can crop the boundaries of any plan view or section view, or you can show up the particular enlarged view or any cropped view in the plan, in the section, or in the 3D as well. So in the conclusion, so section box is the whole box, and you can control in the 3D view only, and selection box means it's one kind of section box, but you can see the selected element in the 3D view by using this selection box command. And at the end, the scope box is it's a Revit tool by using you can show up the enlarged plan view, enlarged section view, or any cropped boundary. You can show up particular view in the Revit. So that is the basic difference. So I try my best to explain the meaning of these three boxes. So hope you had understood, and if you really like this tutorial, and if you have been learning the Revit software throughout tutorials, then please leave a one like, and at the end, thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a good day. Bye bye, and stay tuned for the next video.